Hi, Puppet.
Hello.
How are you today?
Oh, pretty good.
We're deep in the heart of summer, and you know what that means?
What?
Ice cream.
Yeah.
What else does it mean?
Summer. Summer make me think of family vacations, state fair, carnival,
Road trips.
Oh yeah, road trip. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
ocean,
yeah.
trips to the beach.
Oh yeah, the beach.
Picnics.
Picnic. Oh yeah.
All kinds of things.
Oh yeah.
Summer fruits. The
Summer
summer
fruit.
fruit season.
Oh yeah. Remind me of something else. Summertime for me is full of weird summer TV ads.
Oh.
Summer sales come blowing in on my TV. The mattress sales, early Christmas sales, they come at me. All me want is quiet time to watch some old TV. But all me get are endless ads, the summer sales. Like it?
Puppet, I loved it.
Thank you.
And
Don't break. This ice cream gonna melt pretty
it
fast.
takes us into what we're doing today.
Never hear it before, did you?
Summer.
First one. Keep
Summer
going.
Sundae Funday,
Yeah.
but really
Yeah.
it's a banana split today.
Yeah.
So we thought we'd demonstrate a banana split now.
Yep.
Production has gotten us the bananas that have been pre-cut. The little trick I like to do is
yeah.
pre-slice your bananas so you're not fighting with them when you get ready to have a bite. So
That's not a real banana split.
Yes.
You can't cut up the
Yeah.
banana.
If you cut
What?
up the banana in the bottom of the bowl, you can get a scoop of banana with a scoop of ice cream. So, and
It's
ice cream,
just chaos kitchen now. Just do
ice
whatever you want.
cream
Make up your own rules.
whatever ice cream flavor you want.
Wow,
Now
yeah.
today we have some chocolate chip mint,
Yep.
strawberry. There's vanilla in there. Oh, there's coffee
Yeah.
and
wow. Coffee
traditional.
in it.
Yeah,
Coffee in a
you're
banana
one of your
split.
favorites. So let's
You're
go
going
because we're
rogue.
going to start melting. So I put it on a plate. I think
Yeah.
it's best sometimes to serve it on a plate so
Okay.
when it starts to melt, it doesn't
Okay.
get all gooey.
Keep
so
going.
let's put on some.
We're melting fast.
Let's put on some summer berries,
Whoa.
some summer blueberries,
Yeah.
some black raspberries. Look at that.
Yeah,
Look
giant.
how delicious.
Yep.
Now,
Look like little beehives.
strawberries.
Yeah.
Oh, and you know what
Yeah.
else I thought of?
Keep on.
Because
What?
often old fashioned, and you know
What?
what? It's okay if it goes off onto the plate. We also have, and we'll use our little spoon here, pineapple. I like to use real
yeah.
bits of fruit.
Oh, that's
That
nice.
way it doesn't seem so,
Oh.
bad for you. Look at
Yeah.
that. Look at
Oh,
the
yeah.
nice pineapple chunks.
Yeah.
And then
Like it.
this is where you start topping it with syrup. So,
Yeah.
would you like some caramel? We
You
got
like it
caramel
all.
syrup.
What else you got?
And look
Oh,
at,
yeah.
oh, look at that. You
This
could
looks like something me made up.
I know it. And
Yes.
then Magic Shell, an old time
Magic Shell.
summer favorite.
You like that?
I don't know if it's gonna
It's a
harden on
gimmick.
this
Whoa,
because
easy.
the
Don't-
ice
don't
cream's a
get it on
little.
my fur.
Oh, okay. We got
Oh.
some Magic Shell.
Yeah.
Oh, and I got blueberry sauce.
Oh yeah.
How about that?
Yeah,
A
blueberries.
little bit.
Watch out.
Now I know it looks like a lot,
Dangerous.
but you can do whatever you want
Yeah.
because it's gonna be delicious when you share it with someone.
Yeah.
Then sprinkles. We got
Yeah.
some chocolate sprinkles.
Sprinkles.
Oh.
Sprinkle it up. The sprinkles over here.
And then we're getting peanuts.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Salted
Peanut. Look
peanuts.
at that.
That's the best.
Cocktail peanut.
Cocktail peanuts.
Yeah.
And then look at this maraschino cherries.
Planters. You're not supposed to mention planters.
Well, we can because we like the planters peanuts. And then
Planters,
get ready,
sponsors,
and you
planters.
may want to move your fur
Uh-oh,
because
hold on.
we're
Uh-oh.
going with Reddi whip in the cake
Yeah.
because
Yeah, yeah. Oh.
it isn't done until
Yeah.
look
whoa,
at
whoa,
that.
Whoa.
Puppet.
Whoa.
This looks like an old time
This
banana
looks
split.
look like Dairy Queen.
Sundae Funday.
Yeah.
And then you know what?
What?
Just so it looks good when you present,
A little
more peanuts.
More stuff.
More
What
peanuts.
about cherries?
Oh, let's put some more cherries.
Sprinkles,
Let's put some chocolate
sprinkles.
sprinkles on there.
Yeah.
Puppet, is there anything else? We'll top it with a cherry.
Cherry. Maybe one, maybe two,
It's
maybe three.
summer-
What do you got? More cherries.
Summer fun day.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at that.
Yep.
And then serve it with a long spoon.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Look at that. And put it alongside the plate.
Old timey.
Old timey.
Yeah.
And that's it, Puppet. That's our
Yeah.
summer Sunday fun day, but really it's a banana split.
Yeah,
And you can share it. You could eat it all yourself. We don't care. We don't
Yeah.
know. So
like it.
we better go.
You dig
Thank
it.
you,
I'm
everybody.
gonna dig at it with that giant spoon.
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
Questions and comments. You know where to find us.
Yep.
Have-
Please hit like and subscribe. Someone please go make us hit over 100 subscribe. By 2027, something like that. Yeah.
That would be good.
Yeah.
So we're
Okay.
going to thank everybody. Have a great summer. We've got a few months left, a couple weeks left,
Oh,
and
yeah.
then thank
Couple
you.
weeks. We got a lot.
We got a lot. Thank you, and we'll see you next week.
Hey, happy ice cream time. Yay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.